All right, I'm gonna take this bottle right here that I've cut in two. I've cut it all the way, even the part you drink out of. Yep, I had to cut it a little bit wider to be able to get it on the plant. But I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on one of my tomato plants, and I'm gonna put dirt in it, and I'm gonna try to clone it and see how that method turns out. All right, coming over here, you can look and see I've done. I've actually took this one. I took that bottle and I put it around here, put it around the plant. I've had to tape it up. I put dirt in it. Um, make sure it's taped up. Down here, I put a wash rag, not a wash rag, a paper towel in the bottom of it to make sure it drains okay and dirt keeps in it. Um, and hopefully, here in a few weeks, I'll have roots that's come through this bottle because it's clear. You can see it just like that. And if it all goes well, I'll be able to cut it and plant it, and it'll speed up my process so I can get some fruit. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to give you an update on this. We'll find out.